Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, one of the most remarkable physicists in history, is particularly known for his theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of time, space, and matter. The special theory of relativity, published in 1905, introduced concepts such as time dilation and space contraction, showing that time and space are relative rather than absolute, as previously believed. Einstein later developed the general theory of relativity, which redefined gravity as a consequence of the curvature of space-time by matter. He is also known for his famous mass-energy equivalence, EmC², indicating that mass and energy are two forms of the same thing. Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was one of the most influential physicists of all time. His monumental work, Philosophia Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, published in 1687, established the foundations of classical mechanics and introduced the three laws of motion, known as Newton's laws. He described universal gravitation, explaining that every object attracts every other object with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This work represented a major turning point in the development of physics and laid the groundwork for many of the subsequent discoveries in the field of science. Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was an exceptional theoretical physicist, known for his contributions to understanding black holes, cosmology, and general relativity. One of his most remarkable works was demonstrating that black holes are not completely black, but can emit energy, a phenomenon known as Hawking radiation. His work combined quantum theory with general relativity, attempting to reconcile the two seemingly contradictory domains of physics. Hawking was also a prolific author and science communicator, popularizing complex concepts for the general public through works such as A Brief History of Time. Richard Feynman. Richard Feynman was one of the brightest physicists of the 20th century, known for his contributions to quantum electrodynamics. His work in this field earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965. One of his most remarkable achievements is the development of Feynman diagrams, a technique for representing particle interactions graphically in simplified diagrams, which facilitated understanding and calculation of quantum processes. Feynman was also a master of scientific communication, known for his teaching abilities, and for being one of the most charismatic physicists of his time. Max Planck. Max Planck was a German physicist known for his groundbreaking work in the field of quantum mechanics. He is considered the founder of quantum theory, thanks to the formulation of the quantum of action hypothesis in 1900, which revolutionized our understanding of the nature of matter and radiation. This paved the way for the development of one of the most revolutionary theories in physics and profoundly influenced the direction of research in the 20th century. Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr was a remarkable Danish physicist, known for his contributions to the development of quantum mechanics and atomic physics. One of his most remarkable achievements is the formulation of Bohr's atomic model, which introduced the concept of discrete energy levels in atoms, thus explaining the atomic spectra observed experimentally. He was also one of the pioneers of the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum theory, and made significant contributions to understanding atomic structure and quantum phenomena. Marie Curie. Marie Curie was an exceptional physicist and chemist, known for her research on radiation. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Her discoveries in the field of radiation were fundamental to the development of radiotherapy and medical imaging diagnosis, and had a significant impact on both physics and medicine. Verner Heisenberg. Verner Heisenberg was a remarkable German physicist, known for formulating the uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics. This principle states that there is a fundamental limit to the precision with which certain pairs of physical properties, such as position and momentum, can be simultaneously known, implying an inherent uncertainty in quantum predictions. His work in this field was fundamental to the development of quantum mechanics and represented a radical shift in how we understand the nature of the world on a small scale. Irvin Schrodinger. Irvin Schrodinger was a renowned Austrian physicist, known for the Schrodinger equation, which describes the behavior of quantum particles in physical systems. This equation is the central pillar of nonlinear quantum mechanics and represented a significant step in the development of quantum theory. Schrodinger is also known for Schrodinger's cat paradox, a thought experiment designed to illustrate difficult concepts in quantum mechanics. Paul Dirac. Paul Dirac was a brilliant British theoretical physicist, known for his significant contributions to the development of quantum mechanics and quantum field theory. One of his most remarkable achievements is the formulation of the Dirac equation, which describes the behavior of electrons according to the principles of relativity and quantum mechanics. This equation was fundamental to the development of elementary particle physics and represented an important step towards unifying quantum mechanics with relativity theory.